Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a following filter to your search results in X. It's a powerful feature that allows you to find content specifically from the people you follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Step 2. Locate the search icon in the bottom drawer and tap on it to initiate a search. Step 3. Enter your desired search query to find what you're looking for. Whether it's articles, posts, or updates, X has a vast range of content to explore. Step 4. Now, here's where the magic happens. Tap on the sliders icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 5. From the available options, select People You Follow to apply the following filter to your search results. By following these simple steps, you can narrow down your search results to content specifically from the people you follow on X. It's a fantastic way to stay connected with the latest updates and insights from your favorite creators. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to add a following filter to your search results in X. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.